am going to do a Thanksgiving look since Thanksgiving's coming up next week. I wanted to make sure I could get a video out to you guys before then so that in case you were looking for some inspiration for a look for your Thanksgiving parties, I could provide that for you. So today I did a gold and brown kind of shimmery cut crease with a red lip. I think it would look really pretty on Thanksgiving. It's kind of like all those Thanksgiving colors. So if you like this look, then keep watching. Today I am in a super big hurry and need to get full glam on fast. We have a photo shoot today for our Christmas cards, and then I have a party tonight, and so I need to do full glam that lasts all day, and I gotta be fast. I got a new Morphe palette. It's called Nature Glow. We'll do some browns and some oranges today, but like a gold glitter too. I don't know, we're just gonna see like what colors inspire me and see what I come up with. But I don't know, maybe a cut crease, and I wanna do a red lip because we're doing Christmas pictures like I said. So right now I just used Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm using a Real Techniques blender, a beauty sponge, and blending that out. This has been dampened. And then I am going to set it with my RCMA powder. And I think I'm gonna put my brows on too. We're just gonna do that real fast. Using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color dark brown. I'm going to use a Morphe M433. I think we're gonna go in with this color right here. So this brush is pretty dense. I am going to get less dense brush and blend this out. With the denser brush, and then blend it out with the bigger one, the less dense brush. Should we go in with an orange or a darker brown? Let's do an orange. I don't know, which one do you guys think? Keep eyeballing this one. But then this one's really pretty, and so is this one. So we're gonna do the in-between, this orangey color. I don't know if you can see it, this one. And I'm just gonna use the same brushes. Apply this into the crease. And then I'm just gonna go in with the less dense brush and back into that original color here, this one, to blend in what I just put on with the orange. And then we're gonna go with a brown. This one seems like a really nice chocolatey brown, a little bit warmer. I think we're gonna go with that. Same brushes, the dense one, the M433. I'm really keeping that in the crease now. We're gonna go with the M441, the less dense brush, and back into that orange color that we were using before in the crease, and just blend this brown out. All right, so I'm gonna go in with a Morphe M562, and I'm gonna go in with an even darker brown. So this is a brown, and it's got some a little bit of sparkle in it. So we're gonna just use that to deepen the crease even more. I'm just trying to keep that really in the crease only. I'm just gonna go with that M441 and just blend it all out one last time. So I have a Morphe M213. I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape to cut my crease. Just grabbing it off of the applicator. It's up to you where you want it to end. I just want it to go right up to the crease and then stop. Some people bring it all the way up, but I don't want to lose any of that work that I just did in the crease. And then I'm going to set that because I just feel better in life if I do that. And I have my RCMA powder, and I set it with my finger. This is a Starlux brush. They're 858 soft dome fluffy brush. Coppery color right here. And I'm gonna put that all over the lid. I'm gonna go in with that M441 and just blend out the crease. And I'm gonna go in with the M433 and grab up that bronze, this chocolatey one. Go in one more time with just that darker, the sparkly kind of one. Make sure everything's just really nicely blended together. Now I'm going to go in with that MAC pigment. The color is Melon. It's like the best MAC pigment ever. So I'm just going to take some of it and tap it into the lid. I got my NYX matte setting spray. Doesn't really matter what you use. Usually I use MAC Fix Plus, but I'm out. So I'm just going to spray my brush a couple times, dab it in the pigment. And then I'm just going to pick up that copper color again and just blend that in between the dark and the light. I'm going to go in with, just going to use a wet paper towel and wipe away any of the shadow I don't want. Okay, so now I'm going to do my foundation, and I'm going to use my Estee Lauder Double Wear, and I'm going to mix that with my Wet n Wild. There we go. Okay, I'm just going to mix them together on the back of my hand. Okay, so I have a damp Real Techniques beauty sponge. I'm just going to apply that all over the face. Next we want to do concealer. I use my RCMA powder again. So I'm just taking the powder, putting it on my sponge, and then blending it in to my, or patting in to where the concealer's at. So I'm going to use my L'Oreal True Match. I don't know what brush this is. It has no name on it. It's a little sticky, so I'm going to just go in with some of my RCMA powder and set the entire face. I think I'm going to skip bronzing for right now and just work on my eyes and then go back to it. But I'm just going to use my Wet n Wild liquid liner. Alright, and then I'm going to use my Hoola. There we go. I'm going to go in with my NARS, I don't remember the name of this brush. I think it's an Ida brush. It's just got like a flat top, which is nice for bronzing, or for contouring. Steve Laurant blush in the color I'm Blushing. Alright, I'm going to use this Morphe brush. It's in M536. Okay, so we're going to do the lower lash line, and I'm just going to use that brown and orange colors to do that. The M562 brush. Orange one here. I dragged the orange color all the way in, and then when I do the brown, I'm going to focus on the outside here only. This one here with the glitter in it. Just do that on the outer here. Instead of bringing it all the way in, I'm just going to bring it into like my pupil. Connect it into the top V here. My camera stopped recording, so I was waiting for it to finish whatever the hell it was doing. I applied some Ardell, the foam ink lashes that I've shown in past videos, and some mascara to the top and bottom. Nomad, it's a little bitty guy, a little highlighter. It's in the color Midnight Sun, so I'm just going to use my finger and kind of apply that to to all the places that I normally highlight, so the top cheekbone. Morphe brush, it's the M510. So we're going to do a red lip. So I'm going to use my NYX lip pencil here in the color Hot Red. Yes. This is going to be a Revlon Really Red, it's called. Just using a small lip brush, patting it on there. Last, going to go in with this Be a Bombshell gloss, and it's a red gloss in the color Hot Mess. Well, that's not the universe talking to me. Okay, so this is the final look. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out, considering I had no idea what I was going to do. Let me know in the comments below if this is something that you would actually consider wearing to Thanksgiving, if this is a doable look for you guys, or if maybe I should do a little bit easier looks. But yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I will see you guys at the next video. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.